Now we will discuss the next type of preparation of alcohol from same alkene, but this reaction is known as hydroboration reaction. Hydroboration reaction. Okay. Why this reaction is known as hydroboration reaction? Here we will use diborane as a catalyst. The diborane is BH3 whole 2, or you can write B2H6. So this type of catalyst is known as diborane. Now take the same alkene CH3 CH double bond CH2 in presence of diborane BH3 whole 2. Okay, here also the same, water will split into H and OH. Water is our H2O, it will split H plus and OH minus. Here you have to use the anti-Markovnikov's rule. As per the anti-Markovnikov's rule, the H hydrogen will attach to the less hydrogen carbon and the OH will attach to the more hydrogen carbon, but the carbon must be the double bond carbon. Here within the double bond carbons, in this carbon 2 hydrogens are present, but in this carbon only 1 hydrogen is present. So it is more hydrogen carbon, it is less hydrogen carbon. In the less hydrogen carbon the hydrogen will attach, and in the more hydrogen carbon the OH will attach, and the double bond will split. Then what will be the product? It is CH3 CH, here one more hydrogen H, here it is C, it is OH, here H, and here also H. 2 hydrogens present and 1 OH will attach. Now what is the name of this alcohol? It is propanol. Name of this alcohol is propanol. And the rule what we are using here, that is anti-Markovnikov's rule. Anti-Markovnikov's rule. But this reaction occurs in a particular mechanism. We have to see the mechanism on which the reaction is present. So first step, what you have to do, stepwise I am writing. First this one is your CH3 CH double bond CH2. This one is the alkene. When it react with diborane, diborane is your BH3 whole 2. This is our diborane. So BH3 we can write H and BH2 and at last whole 2. When it will react with diborane, remember hydrogen will attach to the less hydrogen of the double bond carbon and BH2 will attach to the more hydrogen carbon of the double bond carbon. So what will be the product? Now here it is more hydrogen, here it is less hydrogen. So the product will be CH3 CH, here CH2, here it is BH2. BH2 will attach here. Or you can also write this one as CH3 CH2 CH2 and here BH2. Okay. Again it will react with the alkene up to getting only boron free from hydrogen. We have to react the product again and again with the alkene. Remember, that means here again the same alkene CH3 CH double bond CH2. This will react with the same alkene. Now what will be the product? The product is CH3 CH2 CH2. This boron will attach here, that will be BH. Now this one, that is CH2 CH2 CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. Okay, the double bond split and it get attached with the previous one. This one is the product. Again it will react with the same alkene, that is CH3 CH double bond CH2. Okay, the same thing again I am writing here. The reactant is CH3 CH2 CH2. It is whole 2 times present with boron and hydrogen. it will react with the alkene, that is CH3 CH double bond CH2. Then what will be the product? Same, H will attach with the less hydrogen and boron will attach with the more hydrogen of the alkene. Now these two will attach with each other. Now what is the product? CH3 CH2 CH2 with boron B, and already two products present, so it is CH2 CH2 CH3 whole 2. Or we can write the same thing is thrice present here, so we can write this one as CH2 CH2 CH3. Here also CH2 CH2 CH3. Here also CH2 CH2 CH3. Okay, this is tripropyl boron. This thing is known as tripropyl boron. Okay, now do the reaction with hydrogen peroxide, that is H2O2 in presence of hydrogen peroxide. If you will break H2O2, it will be OH and OH. 2 OH you will get. That means one OH will attach here, here and here in this position of boron, and one OH will attach with these products here, here, here. Okay, then what will be the product? In the boron, the OH will attach, so this will be the product, and in the rest part the OH will attach, so it is CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. Here also CH2 CH2 CH3. Okay, in this position the OH is attached, so we can write this one as, these are the products, that is BOH whole 3 plus 3 whole CH2 CH2 CH3 with the OH. This one is the final product. Okay, one step also we can do, but this one is the mechanism for the previous reaction.